I'm Jon Kaas. I'm from Vanderbilt University, and one of the things I'm trying to do is see what the impact of small select lesions of the spinal cord have on the rest of the nervous system. The spinal cord, to me, is a special place in that a lesion that seems rather small in one place can have profound effects both below the lesion site and above the lesion site. We're interested in what happens to the rest of the brain when some sensory information that should go to the lower brainstem and then be distributed to the rest of the brain is removed by a small lesion. And we're doing this in monkeys. In the dorsal columns, it's ascending pathway in the dorsal part of the spinal cord. And when we make a lesion there, we remove inputs that normally would come from tactile inputs that would come from the hand, and they would go to the cuneate nucleus of the brainstem and then to the thalamus and then to the cortex. We discovered that with a large lesion that's complete, the cortex is completely, primary somatosensory cortex is completely silent for a period of time and then gradually recovers silent responsiveness to other inputs from the face or anything else that's left. So usually above the lesion, some anterior arm and face and so on come in, and they will activate hand cortex. But we also find that if a small percentage of the fibers from the hand escape being cut, and this is quite common even when you try to cut everything, even 10% of those fibers can lead to a profound recovery. So what do we learn from that? That a little bit that is preserved and can be preserved means a lot, would mean a lot for a human with spinal cord injury, and that if we can get that small amount to sprout and grow through various treatment procedures or rehabilitation procedures, that would help a lot. And if we could get anything that is cut to grow past the lesion site and grow that would mean a lot. So there are future research ideas and avenues that we can pursue, but we've learned a lot so far about the importance of having a few remaining inputs intact and how much they can do.